you doing? Hey, yes, I'm switching over to Go High Level. High Level has been very impressive when we did some testing on it. And after, gosh, 25 years using, I'm sorry, 15 years using Keap Infusionsoft, I'm switching over. Now, we're still going to do consulting with it. We're still going to be working with it because we have a lot of customers that use it for my own marketing, sales funnel building, and all the features I'm going to describe. We are switching over. This is drastic. I completely understand that. But I've done the research. One of my ex-team members called me and says, hey, you ought to check this out. And I checked it out, and I'm telling you, it's got features and a price point, which I'll mention later, that you just can't deny, right? So High Level gets you all the marketing automation features you get with Keap. So I get that right away. Now, it has email and SMS services, which Keap also offers, but the integration with automation is really, really clean. They offer voicemail services, and phone calls can come in, a voicemail can be left, and you can automate responding to them via text message. So, and you can have big interactions with folks just using the tools right out of the box. They've got a social media scheduling and posting feature that's just like Hootsuite. It allows you to schedule things ahead of time. You can publish things to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, you name it. It's got a calendaring feature that gets you what Calendly does. And I've already switched over my calendar appointment setting to that. I've got my grandson here with me. Hey, buddy. So they've got a live chat feature. The live chat feature allows you to put, a live chat on your site. I've already switched to it, and I no longer use Drift, which was the previous tool I had. They've got an interesting feature which allows you to add messaging to your Google My Business profile. If you're a local business owner and you use Google My Business, you can put a phone number on there, obviously, but now you can put a message button and it shows up on your phone. So if someone wants to order a pizza via text, they can do that. They have very useful sales pipelines and opportunity management. They've got membership and online courses. That's our bread and butter, and now we have another platform that we can offer. And all of this is supported by a mobile app that notifies you when anything happens and you need to make attention to it. For example, when a live chat comes in, it notifies you on your phone and you get going. Now, what really impressed me is that it's $97 a month. We're now resellers of it, and if you're scared because they charge extra for email and for SMS, don't worry about it. Last month, I sent out 200,000 email messages on my Keap account, and that on Go High Level or High Level would be under $25. So that's not going to get out of control. So for $120, $130, I've got a full replacement for Keap, and it's unlimited number of contacts. They don't charge you per the number of people that you have in there. So if you want more information, I've included my phone number here below. If otherwise, you can also go to larryjacob.com or georgediaz.online. Live chat, message me, set up an appointment. All of those will come to me via my High Level app. All of those are implemented with High Level features, so you can get a pre-test of how that might work for you.